Hello everyone. As you can see, I have my Oculus 2 in front of me. It's probably one of my favorite purchases from 2020. I use it quite frequently. Yeah, I use it actually more than my Xbox, the new Xbox. So anyways, one of the things that I did not like about it was the battery life on it and the straps. So, we went ahead and replaced that. The other big thing that I don't like about it has to do with the face guard thing. If you play it for any amount of time, it gets sweaty and it just traps the sweat in there. And if you have your own Oculus 2, you know what I'm talking about. So what we're gonna do here today is we're gonna fix that so that that's no longer a problem, and it's relatively inexpensive. We're talking about I think it was $10 to $15 fix, and supposedly it's great. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go ahead and make the face shield here a lot more comfortable, and it'll work better for those long gaming sessions. So if you have any questions while I'm doing this, make sure you ask down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So what we're going to do is use the silicone cover from VR Cover. I've used some of their products in the past, and they're good quality. So I'm really excited to see how this works here. I have not opened the bag yet, so we're going to do this together. I'm not sure exactly. As you can see, first time opening it. So we're going to be doing this together. I'm sure if I was to do it again, it would go a lot faster, but we'll see what ends up happening here. So inside, we've got well, we don't need the bag, so we can get rid of that. And basically, we have the silicone cover here. And then it shows us exactly what to do, basically to remove the stock interface, which we did. And then we're going to slip the cover first over the left and right sides of the foam. And then we're going to pull over the edge and then just reinsert it. So it should be pretty simple here, hopefully. We'll see as we do this again together. And again, if you have any questions while I'm doing this, please feel free to ask down below. Also, if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. Me, myself, being a professional geek, hopefully I do things that will interest you. So that's it. All right. Okay, so that's that. Just seeing what it says to do. Pull the cover over the edge to the top of the nose. Does it mean that? I don't think it does. I don't know. I think that's probably it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. It's pretty easy to do. Easy for me to say when I've doing it with you guys there. There we go. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on, and I'll let you know what I think. All right, so this little thing actually works really well. I'm really impressed. I played some Beat Saber. I think I included a clip in there. So I was able to try it out. Beat Saber is probably one of those that I get the most movement in and end up sweating the most with. So had no problems with the cover here. It felt great. You still had the same cushion that you normally do, so I was happy with that. And like I said, for like 10 to 15 bucks, it's not bad. So it's not like it's a $30 or $40 replacement. So I liked it, and I'll continue to use it. So that way, if you guys have questions in the future, you'll be able to ask down below, and we'll be able to go from there. So pretty awesome. If you missed any of my other Oculus videos, I'll include a link to the head strap here. It is the battery strap. It's definitely something that's nice to have when you have the Oculus, especially if you're planning on using it for any extended period on its own where it's not plugged in and getting power. So that's all I'm going to say at this point. The VR cover works great. Definitely recommend trying it out if you have the same problem I do, where basically the old cover was just soaking up gobs and gobs of sweat. I can only imagine what that thing smells like. All right, anyways, moving on. If you have any questions, like I said, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel, not just gaming or Oculus related, but we do other things that a professional geek might find interesting. Me, myself, being a professional geek, I like to share things that are of interest to me, and hopefully they are of interest to you as well. So if it is, feel free to subscribe down below. And with that, have a great day.